And like I said in my other video, if I assume is going to be uploaded before this, if not, then I'm kind of look silly right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second video that I'm filming today. Obviously I'm not uploading 2 videos in a day though. I do have hay fever. The weather's been really crazy in Sydney, so it's really triggered my allergies right now. So sorry if I have to have a lot of camera cuts because I needed to sneeze, or if I just start sneezing on camera and my eye starts watering. Yeah, that's what I'm experiencing right now, which is not fun at all. We've got 2 sleeps until Christmas, so I am filming this video before Christmas. However, more than likely, very likely, and why am I saying that? Not even more than likely, guaranteed, yes, this video is going to be uploaded after Christmas, may even be uploaded in the new year. So I hope you guys had a fabulous Christmas, and I hope you guys had a fantastic new year. Well, fantastic new year celebration, because obviously you can't say that you're having a fantastic new year if the new year has just begun. I have some items to unbox that I got from Louis Vuitton. This is yet another Christmas haul, items that I picked up at this time of year for myself. Like I was saying before I started having a sneezing attack, I went a little bit crazy this year on Louis Vuitton, and I blame it all on the packaging and the Louis Vuitton Christmas animation that they came out with. So you guys probably have already seen, because I would have already uploaded a Christmas haul from Louis Vuitton, some other items that I picked up, and an item that my husband got me. So this haul is all the items I picked up for myself. This packaging is amazeballs. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I love it. I don't think I've ever actually really been interested in any of the Louis Vuitton holiday packaging until this came out. This is actually from the online store, so I picked this up from online. It is a standard stocked item, not always in stock, but it was in stock at the time that I wanted to buy it. And this will go really well actually with my Louis Vuitton Nice Mini that my husband got me. And I like how it comes with the Louis Vuitton white ribbon and the gift tag. And inside, oh, I forgot to say, because I'm all over the place. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel and you do like these sorts of videos, all things luxury, then I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button below, and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Now, back to unboxing this item. This was from the online store, like I said. And inside, obviously it's kind of going to be a giveaway if I said it's going to go with my Nice Mini. And it is a strap. It is a narrow strap. I think this is about 1.5 centimeters thick. It does come with like the shoulder comfort thingo, but you can actually take this off. So this is $315. They do have another strap on the website, which I think is the exact same width. The only difference is that it doesn't have vachetta on it, and it doesn't come with the shoulder, like that shoulder thingo. The other one is $400, whereas this is $315. I don't mind that it's got a bit of vachetta there. The Nice Mini has vachetta on it, and any other bag that I consider potentially pairing this with will have vachetta on it anyway, like the Speedy 25 if I decide to repurchase one of those. The Speedy Mini, the HL one, not the Nano Speedy, because that doesn't have an adjustable, removable strap. But the HL Mini Speedy, I'm potentially thinking about buying one of those because it's a really cute mini bag. Now, let me show you how to actually take the shoulder pad off. So you just move the strap, that little tab down, and then you undo the adjustment, the buckle adjustment, take it off, and then you can just simply pull off I've already done this to make sure that this could be done. It's just that it's not cooperating with me right now. Of course. Okay, hang on. I'll get there. There we go. Okay. So it comes off. You just pull it through that the buckle adjustment area. Just make sure you take off the buckle. You have to take off the buckle adjustment. Don't try and take it off through the rings, because, or like the clips, because it won't come off and it'll get stuck. So it's easier to just take apart the adjustment section and just pull this off. So if you don't like the look of this shoulder strap, or you don't really feel that it's necessary, then I suggest to take it off. This is long enough to wear crossbody with the Nice Mini. I think it measures at around about 120 centimeters, and then at the shortest it is about 108 centimeters at the shortest adjustment. So it's still okay to wear on the shoulder. Yeah, so this is a very versatile strap. Moving along to my next Louis Vuitton Christmas item, and this was also from the online store, so you get the receipt in one of these envelopes when you buy from the online store. And beautiful packaging, lovely beautiful packaging. I think that if they do this every year, like some beautiful kind of packaging like this, then I'm going to be a real sucker for buying lots of Louis Vuitton at Christmas time. Inside is another small box, another small purchase with the beautiful gift tag and the white ribbon, the drawer style opening, and there is no dust bag, and that is because inside is in fact a bandeau. This is the trunks, no, is it trunk? No, it is not. It is the Monogram Confidential bandeau, and it is obviously in pink, like you can see, quite clearly pink. And what I actually do like, this is actually going to be my first Louis Vuitton bandeau that I've ever purchased, but what I really do like about the Louis Vuitton bandeaus, and I should have been buying them before, is the length of them. They're a really nice long length. I think this is like 100 centimeters or something like that. Yeah, it's at least at least 100 centimeters, whereas the Hermes Twillies are, I think, about 85-90 centimeters, and then they kind of come to a point. So these are long enough to still sort of wear around your neck, and then you can also still like tie them up in a bow. Like, yeah, oh no, I've already put it to my lips. No, look. Can you see that, what I've just done? Just there. Oh well, never mind. It'll clean off. Never mind. But yes, this is the Monogram Confidential. They do have quite a few colors. They have the brown and they have the black and the white. And the retail price on the Louis Vuitton bandeaus in this style with that straight cut edge in the thickness to them is 305 Australian dollars. If you go for the other bandeaus, they are $285, and that is the exact same price of the Hermes Twillies, just so you know. I do like the other Louis Vuitton bandeaus, but they like in the sort of similar to the Hermes looking style, but they didn't have any in the colors that I wanted. So yeah, I decided to go with this one because I did want a pink. I wanted an all pink bandeau because I'm going to use this. I'm probably going to use this in my hair. In winter, I will use this to contrast with grey outfits, and I also use this on my niece mini tied on the handle. Now the last items are inside this bag here, a much bigger bag, and these I actually ended up sourcing with my personal shopper Elena. She's based in Italy, and she was able to get one of these from the online store and then the other one from the boutique, because in Italy they actually have a lot more inventory on the Europe Louis Vuitton website. I think they've even got separate stock in Italy than what they do in like France, but yeah, they've got a lot more inventory than what they have in Australia, and I was unable to get either of these products in Australia online, not even in the boutique as well, so I ended up asking her to get them for me. Now she picked this up from the boutique, so it didn't come with the white Christmas ribbon. It looks like only the online store was really doing the white Christmas ribbon, whereas the actual boutiques maybe run out of the white ribbon. But it come with the gift tag anyway, which is nice. Let's take this out, put this box down. And inside is, maybe you can tell by the size of the bag already, and you know it's going to be the Louis Vuitton animation print. So yes, it's a mini pochette, and it is the mini pochette in the, I think, is he in, oh, I've forgotten, Megève? Is that how you say it? Oh, he's in the Alps, essentially. He's in the snow Alps, and I think he's in France, Megève or something like that. He or she. Is Vivian a he or a she? With a name like Vivian, it must be a she, so why I'm saying he. Oh, all over the place today, my head. So yes, this is the mini pochette, and I did pay, I would say I paid a slight, like I pretty much paid the same as what I bought the other mini pochette from Elena, like $50 over retail. The last item inside this big bag, again from Elena. She got this from the online boutique because in Australia we had no stock. I don't know if we had stock in the boutiques, probably not. It's probably a hard to get item, but definitely it hadn't become available online at all from what I could see in the past few weeks. So it come with the white ribbon, and maybe you will know what it is by the size of it. because, like I said, these are both the Louis Vuitton Christmas animation, which is much harder to get in Australia and much easier to get in Europe, of course. Inside is, in fact, the first time I've ever bought this item, first time I've ever experienced this item, and it's the Louis Vuitton double zip pochette with the Vivienne in Shanghai. So this particular item does come with a shoulder strap, comes with a chain shoulder strap. Also, it's got pink interior, which is super beautiful. So it's very girly on the inside, and the back is plain too, so if you don't want the print showing, you can just turn it around. Like I was saying, it's got pink interior. And then the inside also has, like on one side, it's got some card compartments. Just there, a few card compartments, 1, 2, 3, and that little pocket as well. So yes, it's got, I mean, it's nicely compartmentalized. It is nicely compartmentalized. Oh my gosh, hard to get that out when you feel all nasally. However, it is still a small bag. It probably only fits about the same as the pochette accessoire in the new model. Probably only fits about the same as that. If not, that might fit a little bit more just because it's one big compartment instead. But the other thing I do like is that it's got this kind of section in the middle just between the two zips. Let's see if it actually fits the phone. So this is just a normal size phone. It's not like a plus or anything. No, is it gonna fit? No, no, I don't know. Okay, yeah. All right, it just fits. It just fits a normal size phone, not a plus size, just the normal size sort of phone. So that's a Google Pixel 2 that I've got. It is a snug fit, but I can get it out. It probably would stretch over time. Otherwise, you could just use that pocket for tissues. Tissues, yeah. You can just use it for tissues if you're not game enough to put your phone in, or if you've got a plus size phone. Otherwise, the phone easily fits in the other compartment, no problem. Like I was saying, it does come with a strap, which I didn't show you yet. It comes with this chain strap. So it has the lobster clasps, oh my gosh, on the end, and it has Louis Vuitton, like LV engraved in them. They are the smaller clasps, so they're not the usual bigger size that we're quite used to seeing, like on the bandolier and even the other strap that I've shown you. So on this strap, you will see that it's obviously quite a smaller clasps, and it just attaches on either side there, these little rings, just here and just there. And the strap is 109 centimeters, I think, if I remember correctly. So you can, if you're my height, which I am only 157 centimeters, you can wear it crossbody, and then if you wear it on the shoulder, it is a little bit of a longer drop than I would like, but it's still possible to wear just on the shoulder. But otherwise, it's more ideal crossbody on a short person. That's all that I have to show you guys. That is me done for my Christmas hauls. Any other hauls that I do will probably just be general hauls, but all of this stuff is essentially Christmas gifts from myself to myself. Yes, yeah, that's it. Okay. I'll leave my personal shopper's Instagram handle below. I know that she did have her Instagram handle when I advertised her before, like mentioned her before. It has changed because unfortunately Instagram blocked her first account because she listed a Goyard item, and Goyard must have reported it, probably because she didn't have the appropriate disclaimer sort of thing. So she now has a new Instagram account, but she also has WhatsApp, but it'd be best that I'll just leave her Instagram handle in my description below, but if you are wanting her WhatsApp number, just contact me on Instagram, send me a DM, and I'll be happy to send you her WhatsApp number. If you're wanting to get anything sourced from Europe, if you're looking for a reputable personal shopper that, you know, doesn't charge exorbitant fees, then I do highly recommend her. And that is it. That is all that I have to say, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Before I end this video, I just wanted to shed some light to the bushfire crisis that is happening in Australia. You may all be aware that we are inundated with out-of-control bushfires. It is all across Australia. The only exception at the moment is the Northern Territory. Otherwise, every single state in Australia does have active bushfires. Personally, for ourselves, we are a little less than 20 kilometres away from an active bushfire, one of which is deemed to be out of control and the other one as which is being deemed as currently in control to some extent. I just wanted to personally thank those of you who did reach out to me on social media to check if we are okay. Thank God, yes, we are okay, but thank you very much for your thoughts. There has been many lives lost, many houses completely destroyed, and we have lost so much wildlife. A whole third of our koala population in New South Wales has perished. So if you are in any position to donate some funds, I have left some links in the description bar down below. My husband and I have personally donated to Wires, which is a wildlife organisation in New South Wales that has been helping a lot of the wildlife that has been affected by the bushfires, particularly in New South Wales where we live, as well as donations of clothing to charity specific organisations that are delivering these clothes to people that are in need, and also some monetary donations to the New South Wales Rural Fire Services. Of course, if this is just if you are in any position to donate any money, even if it's just $5, that would be greatly appreciated. And if you could also join me in praying that we get bucket loads of rain all across Australia in the places that specifically really need it, then your thoughts and prayers would be greatly appreciated.